Welcome, explorers, to the Amazon, Earth's greatest wilderness and the world's mightiest river. Beneath its murky waters lies a hidden world, where sunlight never reaches and evolution has taken bizarre turns. Here, life thrives in perpetual twilight, adapting in ways that defy imagination. Recent expeditions have begun to reveal the Amazon's most chilling secrets, discoveries that challenge everything we know about nature. Join me as we dive into the 10 most terrifying discoveries lurking in the deepest Amazon River. Our first descent brings us face to face with a living legend, the green anaconda, a creature that has haunted the imaginations of explorers and locals alike for centuries. Gliding silently through the murky waters, it is both elusive and awe-inspiring, a true master of its domain. In the Amazon's darkest, most mysterious channels, scientists have discovered anacondas exceeding 30 feet in length, ancient matriarchs that have remained hidden for decades, their massive forms rarely glimpsed by human eyes. These giants are the stuff of legend, their stories whispered along the riverbanks. These titans are pure muscle, built for stealth and power, capable of ambushing prey as large as caimans or even jaguars. With lightning speed, they strike, wrapping their immense bodies around their victims in a deadly embrace. Perfectly camouflaged among the tangled riverbed foliage, they strike with explosive force. Their backward-facing teeth grip victims with a vice-like hold, ensuring there is no escape, while their coils constrict with relentless crushing pressure. With every exhale from their prey, the anaconda tightens its grip, squeezing ever tighter, making escape impossible. This methodical suffocation is both efficient and terrifying, a testament to their evolutionary perfection. Witnessing such raw power up close is a humbling experience, a reminder that untamed giants still rule these ancient waters, moving with a grace and strength that defies belief. These anacondas are not just snakes, they are the undisputed apex predators of the Amazon's abyss, dominating their environment with an authority that few creatures can challenge. For generations, their existence was dismissed as myth or exaggeration. But today, with photographic evidence and scientific measurements, the chilling reality of their size and power can no longer be denied. In the deep, where sunlight barely penetrates, they reign supreme, unseen, unstoppable, and shrouded in mystery. Their presence is felt even when they remain hidden, a shadow beneath the surface. The discovery of these giants serves as a stark warning. The Amazon still hides monsters, ancient predators that have survived unchanged for millennia, waiting in the depths. And they are very much alive, watching, waiting, and reminding us that in the heart of the Amazon, legends still breathe. Next, we confront a terror with a notorious reputation, the piranha. Feared by locals and legendary among explorers, these fish have inspired countless tales of danger lurking beneath the surface. Their name alone is enough to send a chill down the spine of anyone who dares to enter their domain. Recent research has uncovered the existence of super schools, vast gatherings of thousands of red-bellied piranhas moving as one, forming a living wall of teeth and muscle. These schools are not just impressive in size, but in their ability to act with perfect coordination, responding instantly to the slightest disturbance in the water. Triggered by a single drop of blood, these schools can erupt into a frenzied attack, stripping prey to the bone in mere minutes. The water churns with chaos as the piranhas descend, leaving nothing but bones behind. It's a display of raw, primal power that few predators can match. Their razor-sharp teeth, perfectly designed for tearing flesh, and their acute senses make them devastatingly efficient hunters. Every movement, every vibration in the water, is detected and analyzed by these relentless predators. These are not mere scavengers, but a dominant force, reshaping the river's ecosystem. They keep populations in check and ensure that nothing goes to waste, playing a crucial role in the Amazon's delicate balance. The sheer scale and coordination of these super schools is both mesmerizing and terrifying to witness. It's a reminder of the power that comes from unity and instinct. In the Amazon, even the smallest creatures can become unstoppable when united. The river is a place where strength is found in numbers, and survival depends on cooperation as much as competition. The piranha's true power lies not in the individual, but in the swarm. Together, they are an unstoppable force, capable of overwhelming almost any threat or prey that crosses their path. In these shadowy depths, the river itself seems to come alive with hunger. Here, every ripple tells a story of survival, and every shadow could be the beginning of another red-bellied frenzy. The Amazon's terror isn't limited to its creatures. Its very foundation hides a nightmare. Sonar and underwater vehicles have revealed vast networks of underwater caves, stretching for miles beneath the river. These sunken labyrinths are colossal, pitch black and filled with bizarre mineral formations. Life here is alien-blind catfish, ghostly crustaceans, and bacteria that feed on rock, not sunlight. Each chamber could hold species unknown to science, but exploration is perilous, currents are unpredictable, and getting lost is a constant threat. These caves are a new frontier, a world of perpetual night and unimaginable life. The Amazon's depths are far stranger and more dangerous than we ever imagined. Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, hidden beneath the murky waters, the electric eel reigns supreme as a true living power plant. This mysterious creature glides silently through the shadows, its presence barely noticed by the untrained eye, yet it holds a secret power that few animals on Earth can match. Scientists have discovered these remarkable eels in remote, isolated pools, where they can unleash electrical discharges of over 860 volts, the most powerful shock ever recorded from any animal. This astonishing voltage is enough to stun prey, deter predators, and even pose a serious threat to humans who venture too close. This supercharged voltage is a unique adaptation to the pitch-black depths of the Amazon. It serves as a built-in radar system, allowing the eel to navigate and hunt in total darkness. At the same time, it acts as both a weapon and a means of communication with other eels, making it a true multi-tool of survival. Nearly 80% of the eel's long, flexible body is packed with specialized cells called electrocytes. When triggered, these cells fire in perfect unison, unleashing a paralyzing burst of electricity that can incapacitate prey or ward off threats in an instant. Encounters with these eels are extremely dangerous. A single shock can cause intense pain, temporary paralysis, or even cardiac arrest in larger animals and humans. Researchers must use insulated gloves and extreme caution when studying them in the wild. These living batteries are a stark reminder that in the Amazon, evolution arms its creatures with truly terrifying power. The electric eel is just one example of how nature can turn even the most unassuming animal into a formidable force. The river's depths are home to weapons and defenses beyond our wildest imagination, where every shadow could conceal a new danger. Here, in these mysterious waters, even the river itself can strike, reminding us that the Amazon is a world where power flows in unexpected forms. Few creatures inspire more dread than the candiru, the Amazon's vampiric catfish. Tiny and nearly invisible, it follows chemical trails to the gills of larger fish, anchoring itself with spines and feeding on blood. The horror for humans? Rare, but real. Cases exist of candiru entering the human body, mistaking it for a host. Once inside, its spines deploy, making removal agonizing and often requiring surgery. While attacks are rare, the biology of this parasite is pure nightmare fuel. The candiru proves that in the Amazon, the smallest threats can be the most insidious. It's a living needle, drawn to vulnerability. In these waters, even the unseen can be deadly. The river's tiniest inhabitant is one of its most terrifying. The Amazon is a time capsule, preserving life from a forgotten era. In its deepest channels, scientists have found living fossils, prehistoric fish with armored scales and lung-like bladders, unchanged since the age of dinosaurs. These giants, over 10 feet long, are relics from a world that vanished millions of years ago. The Amazon's depths mimic ancient swamps, allowing these species to survive while the rest of the world changed. Each discovery is a glimpse into Earth's distant past. A reminder that the river guards secrets older than humanity itself. In the Amazon, the past is never truly gone. Not all threats in the Amazon are visible, some are microscopic and deadly. Deep in the riverbed, scientists have found new strains of flesh-eating bacteria and neurotoxic fungi, evolved to thrive in extreme conditions. These invisible killers can break down tissue rapidly and produce toxins that paralyze or kill. A single disturbance could unleash these pathogens, threatening wildlife and humans alike. The Amazon's mud is a biological minefield, holding dangers for which we have no defense. Sometimes, the deadliest threats are the ones we can't see. The Amazon's otters are no playful mascots. They're giant river otters, known locally as river wolves. Growing up to 6 feet, they hunt in packs, displaying fierce territoriality and teamwork. These otters can take down caimans and even anacondas, attacking with coordinated precision. Their powerful jaws and aggressive defense of territory make them a force to be reckoned with. Packs have been known to drive off jaguars and attack intruders, including humans. Observing them is a lesson in the power of cooperation and the danger of underestimating nature. In the deep Amazon, these otters are dominant predators. They remind us that even familiar animals can be deadly. The river wolves rule their domain with ruthless efficiency. Legends of a lost city in the Amazon may hold truth. Beneath the river, sonar has revealed vast, man-made structures. Archaeologists have mapped foundations, causeways, and plazas, evidence of sprawling towns now submerged. Artifacts recovered point to a sophisticated, vanished civilization. The scale suggests millions once lived here, reshaping the landscape before disappearing mysteriously. The river, once their lifeline, now guards their secrets. These discoveries rewrite the history of the Amazon, revealing a world lost to time and water. The river's depths hold not just monsters, but the ghosts of entire civilizations. The Amazon's greatest terror may be the unknown. Sonar and hydroacoustic sensors have detected massive, unclassified creatures and eerie, complex vocalizations in the deepest trenches. These shapes move with purpose, far larger than any known animal, then vanish without a trace. No one has seen them. Only fleeting blurs and haunting sounds remain. Are they new species, prehistoric survivors, or something else entirely? The Amazon keeps its secrets well, reminding us how little we truly know. In these depths, the unknown is the most terrifying discovery of all. Our journey ends, but the Amazon's mysteries endure. For every secret revealed, countless more remain hidden in the river's depths. The Amazon is a living frontier where wonder and terror intertwine. Thank you for joining this expedition. Remember, the greatest discoveries still await, just beyond our sight. Until next time, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of wonder.